Hello, my dear friends. Are you graduate, undergraduate, or working professional? Whether in tech or non-tech fields, feeling unsure about your future and looking for ways to boost your skills. So, I have some exciting news for you. My name is Bijan Singh, data science expert, and I am excited to tell you about our 10 days Power BI Masterclass available in both English and English language. Find this comprehensive masterclass for end-to-end live training, whether you will dive into tax functions and learn to build professional grade dashboards, benefits from end-to-end mentorship with weekday sessions, Monday to Friday, just 1 hour per day for 10 days. This is pure hands-on training, no sales pitches involved here, just real value. Upon completion, you will receive the skilledUp certified masterclass certificate to build, highlight your new expertise. But that's not all. We have also over rupees 2 lakhs worth of gifts lined up for you, including incredible offer like 100 lucky learners winning a free data analytics online program worth rupees 50,000 and discount vouchers over worth rupees 1 lakh 50,000 for all our pre-recorded and live online training programs. During these 10 days, Power BI training, you will learn how to build Power BI dashboards, extract key insights from your data, and leverage business intelligence to boost your career and your company's growth. Whether you are a beginner with no prior coding or business knowledge, we will guide you every step of the way to help you become a data expert. Seats are limited, so don't wait. Book your spot today at just rupees 121 and take the first step towards a brighter future.